So this story, it's a new story that happened this week, but it's such a recycled story because this happens to Trump a lot. I feel like I could just pull one of the old segments I did and just throw it in right now, and it would absolutely still apply. This story, of course, is the story of how Donald Trump is once again being dumped by a law firm that is currently representing him in a sex discrimination lawsuit. Over the past year, we have seen plenty of actually competent and talented lawyers bail on Donald Trump, right? Joe Tacopina left and he took a bunch of his lawyers with him. You had other lawyers last summer that said, you know what, I'm out of here and I'm taking the rest of my legal team with me. And once again, thanks to a court filing last Friday, the law firm of LaRocca, Hornick, Greenberg, Rosen, Kittredge, Carland, and McPartland told a judge, we don't want to represent this guy anymore because of, quote, irreparable breakdown in the attorney-client relationship. Which, breaking down the legalese means that, listen, we can't get along with this guy. We don't like this guy anymore. Please, judge, let us get out of this. We don't want to be his lawyers anymore. So can we please leave? Now, this sex discrimination lawsuit actually comes from a former campaign worker, so the lawsuit is technically against the Trump campaign, not necessarily Trump himself, but here's what it is. You had a woman by the name of AJ Delgado, who, while working on the Trump campaign, became pregnant by another campaign staffer, a higher up. So when she told everybody, like, hey, I'm pregnant, they, according to her lawsuit, just totally cut all ties with her, like stopped emailing her, she was taken off her projects. So she says, listen, I was discriminated against because of my gender and, of course, because I became pregnant. So she has filed this lawsuit. She is representing herself. And she argued to the court after these lawyers said, please let us go. She argued to the court. She said, oh, hell no. We've been sitting here in legal limbo for years and years and years. And if you let this law firm totally bail, that's just going to push this trial back possibly even more years. Let's get it done. Let's make it happen. Do not let these people go. And to her credit, the judge decided, you know what? You're right. So no, lawyers, I am not letting you just get up, take your stuff, and go home. You have to continue representing Donald Trump and his campaign, of course, until they find new legal representation. But get this. Ms. Delgado argued that it should not be allowed until the discovery process has been completed and called the request, quote, a scheme to avoid compliance. Now, it's interesting the timing of what happened here because the lawyers submitted this filing 2 days after they finally turned over discovery material that they had been fighting to withhold for years. So they finally get forced to turn it over, and then they're like, all right, you know what? Yeah, we're out of here. Let us go. The judge says, not going to happen. You got to stay. They have to find new lawyers, but until then, you're still the lawyers on this case, and we're not going to delay this thing any further. Well, folks, we have crossed that 1 million subscriber milestone, but rest assured, we are just getting started here at Ring of Fire. So if you're not already, please do subscribe to the channel and make sure to like, share, and comment on the videos.